In this video, I'm going to show you how to use RCS on iPhone on iOS 18. This is basically one of the few features of the iOS 18 update. And if your iPhone is running on iOS 18, then you should be able to use the RCS to send message as a part of the iMessage features. But before this can be happened, you just need to go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, make sure you go to General and then click on Software Update. Here, you need to check for available software update, and here it must be iOS 18. Then go ahead and download and install the latest software update, and once the update is installed on your device, then you can now use RCS following these steps. So if I download this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to use RCS, you need to do is to open any contact you want to send message to, and this user must be using an Android phone that supports RCS. So if it does not support RCS, you're not able to send a message to this particular user. So all you just need to do is come here and then go ahead and type your message. So let's say you want to send RCS message iPhone iOS 18. All you just need to do is come here and send your normal message as if you want to send SMS, and then click on the send button. Once you hit the send button, this message you can send to this particular person using RCS with the built-in RCS on your iOS 18. Instead of using iMessage, if the person is using RCS, this message is going to be sent similarly using RCS to this particular person. So there is no need to turn on any feature while using RCS on your iPhone. So this feature is built in just like your Android phone. So this is how you can easily use RCS on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.